Look at my baby playing. A week, almost 2 weeks.
No, it's a week and 3 days.
Go touch the monkey. Touch the monkey now. He's trying to touch the monkey.
But his arms keep floating.
Come on, you can do it. Touch your monkey. No, don't shake it. It's about to be cranky. Touch the monkey.
You can do it.
He's looking at the other paper over there.
Well, he was touching the monkey and playing stuff.
Grab me the laundry cord. Look, he's touching his monkey. He's about to be cranky. Are you playing with your monkey butt? Is that a monkey butt? Ah, he's touching it. He's touching the monkey. He's already playing. Uh-oh. He's gonna get cranky. I think I put it in the counter. Counter. He's touching his monkey. Look at that. Come on. Stop. Don't sit on that one.
Mommy.
He's getting cranky. Okay, now get him up. Okay, I'll be right back.